One 2x4, one build. Let's make a plant table from a single board. Cut your 2x4 following this cut list. If you have a joiner, awesome. If not, just plain twice nicks. Plane each board once, opposite side of the joiner. Rip the opposite side to 3 1/4 inches. Set your blade to your board's thickness. Rip 2 2x2s from the 29-inch board. Resaw the 30-inch board into 1x4s. Keep the same face against the fence. Cut the 37-inch board into 12-inch boards. Glue them up into a single board. Set your miter saw settings both to 5 degrees. Trim the end of a 2x2, then slide and cut 4 more at 14 inches. Set the back angle to 0, keep the front one to 5. Cut the 1x4s in non-parallel angles following the cut list. I've got build plans available. Check the description for details. Add pocket holes to the 1x4s. Assemble the shorter skirts with legs pointing outwards. Use clamps and pocket hole screws to get better results. Add alongside the same way. Flip it over and do the same. Clean up any glue that's squeezed up. Add pocket holes, but ideally do it earlier with the other ones. Measure points 4.5 inches from the sides. Pre-drill them for cutting. Cut them out with a jigsaw. Rot all the edges inside and out. Sand everything well before assembly. Spread glue all along the top. Screw the base, then clamp. Stain your favorite color, then finish. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It helps a ton. See you soon for another 2x4 build.